Welcome back. We are here on Ethereum looking at the cryptocurrency market, and this is going to be my daily forecast for Friday, April 9th, 2021. If you'd like to support our channel, you're welcome to hit the subscribe button down here in the corner, hit the like button and the bell button to see our new videos, and you're welcome to join us over at Patreon, where you can get access to our full technical analysis, our signal service, and also our online trades and courses. So the link is down below. You're very welcome to join. So we'll start by looking at the at Bitcoin. As you can see, we have rallied a bit today. We're trading at the 57,000 at this current stage, and yes, it looks like we're heading back towards the previous highs, and we'll probably run into resistance here at the 60k. Technical indicators, they are, well, they're all over the place at this current stage. The RSI and the CCI are bullish, while the MACD and the stochastic are bearish at this point, but the 20 exponential is holding and we're trading above that, and as long as that is the case, we'll most likely head towards the highs. If we break down from here, there's a lot of support at the 50 moving average and also at the bottom of the Bollinger Band around 52k. So let's look at Ethereum. So also here at Tron, we basically fell towards the 20 exponential and then we rallied. So 20 exponential is holding very nicely, and as long as that is the case, we'll just bounce off it. But pullbacks towards the bottom of the Bollinger Band, the 20 and the 50, all are basically have basically been buying opportunities. We can basically see how often we bounced off the 20 here, then the 50, and then 20 and the bottom of the Bollinger Band and so on. So at the moment, 20 is the same, is basically working as the same, and it has been in the past. We're basically bouncing off the 20 exponential. Technical indicators, they are fairly mixed at this point. MACD is bullish, stochastic is bearish, CCI is bearish, and the RSI is flat at this current stage. So we'll most likely head towards the top of the Bollinger Band again, and that is around 2184. So let's look at Cardano. So Cardano has well rallied a little bit. It's not a massive rally. We are trading just above the 20 exponential. Technical indicators, they are all really flat at this point. So yes, it is kind of difficult to say whether or not we're going to see these moves again. There doesn't seem to be a clear pattern of when this basically rallies. It seems like people pick out cryptocurrency and they just go with it and they just pump it and then they basically sell it off. So that is how most of these cryptocurrency basically look like. So we have a massive rally and break up and then just completely crash to the downside. At this current stage, nothing is really happening in Cardano at this point. So we're trading just above the 20 exponential. 50 offers support, and the bottom of the Bollinger Band at the 1.08. And the very highs here of 1.2 should be major resistant. So let's look at Litecoin. So Litecoin took a real beating yesterday, but we did rally quite a bit at the end of the session. Technical indicators are also mixed. MACD is bullish, stochastic is bearish, CCI is still in positive territory, so it's bullish, and the RSI is flat. So we could go either way. We could go towards the top of the Bollinger Band at 229, or to the 20 exponential around 200. At this current stage, it's not clear where we are heading with Litecoin. So let's look at NEO. So NEO is continuing rallying. We did rally significantly yesterday and then pull back quite aggressively. So it looked like we were going to head towards the middle of the Bollinger Band, but it is still holding. We're trading at the $61 at this current stage. Technical indicators, MACD is bullish, and the others are technically becoming very bearish at this point. We are overbought, so pull back towards the middle of the Bollinger Band, that should be expected before we go higher from here. So let's look at Dash. So Dash has also rallied a bit. We fell quite aggressively yesterday, as we did for most of these cryptocurrencies, and therefore we can see that most of these technical indicators are turning around. My CCI is still in positive territory, but is turning around and becoming bearish. So is the stochastic. RSI is flat, and the MACD is bullish. So also here, it is difficult to say whether or not we pull back towards the middle of the Bollinger Band or we rally higher from here, because we're basically in the middle of nowhere. So let's look at Tron. So Tron has basically rallied even more. So it has basically been on this wild ride from give or take 0.06 all the way up towards 0.14, then broke down towards not even close to the 20 exponential, and then we rallied yet again today. So the same thing here. We're basically in between the middle and the top of the Bollinger Band. We could basically see this break towards the bottom tomorrow, or we can see this rally back towards these previous highs. Technical indicators, they are all over the place, so it is probably just better to just see where this technically is going, because at the moment it's a complete gamble. So hope you found this helpful. You're welcome to support the channel by subscribing, hit the like button and the bell button to see our news videos, and you're welcome to join us over at Patreon. The link is down below. Good luck and thank you very much.